Hi my dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking some inspiration from my miniature things and DIY model to create some mountains. This is my mother's tarp, which is why I didn't grab it to cover the cardboard structure, but I thought about other things I could use, such as this Dollar Tree faux leather bag, and even canvas fabric or even denim fabric if you have it on hand. So I'll be experimenting with different textures, including a textured tape and just regular masking tape as well, to see what we come out with and what works the best. So the sky was doing crazy things. Thought I'd catch this on camera. It looked so pretty, but it looked like it was about to storm real bad. And this is the paint I'm using, keeping it simple. You can get very complex with paint if you want, but 3 colors should do the trick. This is those colors. I started with the darkest color, of course. Then I layered the lightest gray and also then the white. And I gotta say, I'm more of a fan of the tape rather than the faux leather. So I needed to cover some gaps, so I remembered your friend D used some paper towels, I think, to make a tree. So I had this toilet paper right there, so that's what I used, and that is how that looks. By the way, I know that you can use foil and styrofoam like my miniature things did, but I wanted to use things that were maybe laying around the house. Most people in the dog community don't have storage for a lot of supplies, so yeah, let's use fabric. If you don't have a paintbrush or a sponge, you can use a baby wipe or toilet paper or a paper towel. So this is how that comes out, and I used some lighter paint on the ridges that you see there to make them really stand out. The reason why there is a snow cap at the top is because, I don't know. So here is some of that moss that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to utilize that now. They sell this at Walmart in a more warm tone, and I also have this twig that was kind of fallen off of a tree, so I went ahead and plucked it the rest of the way, and I'm going to turn that into a tiny tree. So I did have to cut that down, and I cut off the dying leaves so I can put some evergreen moss on it. And I did have to add a twig right in the middle to support that foliage. So here is how that came out. I think it looks really good. I think it looks better than my rock climbing wall, so I may have to just switch those out. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Bye.